back to the channel Cubotic. Like in the part 1 and 2 we were constructing this Lego clock. Now I'm going to be explaining how this works and what are the working mechanisms of it. So you get a camera in the front, I'll just show you. So let's start off with this being the pointer and this being the face of the clock. So similarly, like how we have the face and the second arm, this is going to work like the second arm, the pointer here, the needle that you can see. This is the 3-number axle that we've done. This is the pendulum of the clock, this complete thing with the tire at end. Because this swings, this creates the oscillation which will control the pointer. When we actually work this, you're going to see how this whole mechanism works. We have installed in this a total of 6 gears. There are 2 big spur gears that I hope you can see, these big grey ones that we put in here. This will control the speed along with the small dark grey spur gear. These have 8 teeth and 2 spur gears here. So total there are 6 spur gears that help this mechanism work. We've also put in 2 pulleys with 2 beams here that will control the pointer again. The weight that is attached here, you can see this black color weight that is attached here. Because of the weight, this goes down and this starts oscillating and this causes the pointer to move. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. You can see there's an angular blue color beam here. I'll just show it to you from the other side. So you guys can see this is the angular beam that is there. This is actually touching the white beam. This locks our mechanism from working, so it stops. So it's like a start and stop. So once I lift this will, the white beam will be allowed to freely move and this will cause my pointer to start moving. So I'm going to put it like this. So first you can see this angle. So what you need to do is this has to oscillate. So hold this on one side, move this out, okay, and when I move this, you can watch the pointer move. So what is happening, this pendulum is oscillating, right? And the weight is causing this to come down. So with a combination of both, this oscillating and the weight coming down, the pointer keeps moving like a seconds clock. Now in different experiments, the longer you make the axle, the slower it will become because more the oscillation. So this is how the internal working of a clock is done. To show it from this side, you can see. Now why we use the small and big gears is to control the speed. The small gear is moving the big gear, so that helps reduce the speed. Here you can see because of gravitational force and this being a heavy object, this is coming down. And because of the oscillation, this is moving and controlling the white beam. And this causes a pointer to move. So that's simple, that's the working of